the alignment acquisition method. Success doesn't destroy most coaching businesses. Distraction does. Let me tell you something that nobody talks about. When your coaching business finally starts work, that's when you're most likely to lose focus. I've seen it happen over and over again. A coach finally gets clients, their content starts getting traction, sales begin coming in, then suddenly they start creating another offer, another funnel, another course, another challenge. They're constantly chasing the next strategy instead of maximizing the one that's already working. One coach I worked with told me something I'll never, ever forget. The moment we start seeing success, we make everything more complicated. 4 years, my friends, they stayed stuck at the same income level. Not because they weren't talented, not because they weren't working hard, but because they kept adding. They kept adding more offers, more content, more platforms, more things to manage until one day they made a different decision. Instead of adding, they simplify one ideal client, one signature offer, one clear message, and one proven client acquisition system. That's it. The result? They doubled their revenue without work more hours, without creating another course, without adding another funnel. The effort stayed the same. The complexity disappeared. The income grew. Of course, if you're feeling the urge to launch something new today, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, do I really need another offer? Or do I simply need to get better at the one I already have? Because scaling isn't about doing more, it's about doing less, better. That's exactly what I teach inside this story pyramid, the alignment acquisition method. Inside of the alignment acquisition method, I help coaches and experts simplify their business, attract the right clients, and build a predictable path to their first consistent six-figure per month. Sometimes your next breakthrough isn't hidden inside your another strategy. It's hidden inside mastering the strategy you've already started. So, my friends, I hope this video resonated with you and I can't wait to see you in our inner circle tribe. DM me and don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell for more videos. Bye for now, my friends. Have a great day.